The Global Game Jam is a collective of a bunch of nerds getting together and building awesome video games over the course of a weekend.
People are excited to have this chance to express their creativity, to test ideas, to push boundaries.
Global Game Jam is important to the community because it really helps designers come up with new and interesting things that could potentially inspire a whole nother new genre of games.
One of the top games was a full-body tracking game, so you controlled the game with your entire body in 3D space in VR. The first place team was a Paperboy-esque game on an exercise bike in full 3D VR.
We're really plugged into the community, so it's a really natural fit for us here at Microsoft to house this ingenuity and passion is pretty exciting for us.
We had about 1,100 people sign up on our event page for this event. Of those 1,100, there were almost 500 actual jammers. 95% of the people were completely new and had never jammed before.
It was my first time. I wasn't really sure what to expect. I was hoping to make a video game, and so that was the main goal. But what I really appreciated was coming to do the workshops, because I didn't know very much about video game design or a lot of coding, things like that. Especially sitting through the one class that we took on Unity, that was really cool, because we actually got to build a game within that workshop within the matter of not even 2 hours.
There are people who've never programmed a line of code in their life, and they're cranking away on either assets for the game or just diving into programming. But it's more about like the cohesiveness of the team and the desire to make a game that's driving this whole thing.
We're all kind of working to learn the different development skills. Some of us are trying to learn code. Some of us are working on more of the productional art aspects.
This is the first time that I actually have an artist who I could be like, hey, can I have this? And then he gives it to me.
Graphic designers for like web design, you get to do character art. A guy who does like financial coding all day might be like a Unity wizard at night.
I'm seeing everyone from developers to artists to sound engineers, pretty much every and anything you need to make an awesome game.
We have a lot of beginners, but we also have like a good amount of veterans who are just like, yeah, I'm just here to like make something cool for the weekend.
It's a fun change of pace. It's great to like just do something that's totally different. It's like a breath of fresh air for me.
We're having a lot of fun, and I hope we can get a game done by 3 p.m. tomorrow.
Priority would be having fun and having something that's like somewhat playable at the end.
Game development and creative coding is very approachable, and our whole mission is to welcome more women into the game industry.
My daughter said she wants to make a game, so for this game jam we're actually supporting them to create what they imagine.
We don't care where you're starting from. The whole point here is to get as many people making games as possible, whether they're brand new designers or veteran developers.